My name is Cesar Sandoval. I'm a bartender and I love using fresh and seasonal fruit. Blueberries are essential and they're so diverse to use raw, cooked, frozen, and have a ton of flavor. They have sweet components, savory, sometimes a little bit salty, and even bitter. Today I'll be making a blueberry whiskey sour. It'll be using whiskey, fresh lemon juice, a little bit of sweet vermouth, and of course, blueberries. In this case, I made a blueberry jam using fresh blueberries, a little bit of sugar, water, and a pinch of sea salt to get it started. Blueberry jam adds a great viscosity, body, and mouthfeel to the cocktail. Unlike a traditional whiskey sour, instead of egg white, we use the blueberry jam to incorporate it. And garnish with a lemon twist and some fresh blueberries. The next cocktail I'll be making is a Corn Blueberry Spritz, using mixta, corn liqueur, Amaro Montenegro, some fresh blueberries, and topping it off with soda water. As the cocktail melts and dilutes, the blueberries incorporate in flavor and also look amazing. Finish it off with a basil leaf for aromatics.